Hello friends, this is Rubia. Welcome back to my channel. As from the title you guys must be already knowing, but yes, if you guys are seeing video for the first time and you guys are not following me since, I would just give you the short description that there was my cousin's wedding. I have a separate vlog as well of that. If you are interested, just go and watch that. It's a fun wedding vlog. Yes, so I had wedding and yes, the night routine which I followed, since we were doing a lot of makeup, hairstyle and a lot of things every day, like back to back. So what night routine which is important and which literally helped me and didn't end up having pimples. So yes, if you are a kind of person who always say कि मैं makeup करती हूँ तो मेरे को pimples होता है, no, that's because you don't follow a proper night routine on that day. Like every day you have different night routine, but whenever you do makeup you should properly remove your makeup and wash your face and moisturize your face and then sleep. Then you won't end up getting pimples. So the things which I follow step by step, I'll just show you. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, since I wear lens, everyone knows about it. First thing I do after coming from any of the function, I just remove the lens. And since I was having long nails, now I don't have long nails, but उस दिन function के time पे I used to have long nails extensions, acrylic extensions. So how to remove lens? You have to use these earbuds and then remove lens. I have a separate video of this as well. I'll just put the link in the description box. Just go and watch that. I'll just remove the lens. First thing, that's what, if you are wearing lens, you have to do. Okay, next thing I did was that I use this Color Bar का makeup remover, and this is very useful because उस दिन क्या होता है, I just tell you frankly, बहुत थक जाते हैं after any of the functions. Like we wear those heavy lehengas, traditional outfits, and उसके ऊपर makeup निकालना is literally hectic thing. So this tissue literally helps. I have a separate video of this as well, so you can watch that. This is not sponsored. This is literally I use. My cousins know about it. So this is really helpful. Since I have makeup on my face today itself, I'll just remove with this tissue. See, you can see all my hand imprint. Like all the makeup is removed by this, and this is very nice. I just love it. So उस दिन ना heavy makeup होता है. Today is little light makeup, so one tissue is fine, but उस दिन बहुत heavy makeup होता है, so you have to use 2 makeup removal wipes, but that's fine because वो फिर निकालने में हालत ख़राब हो जाता है. This is very nice. Guys, always remember to remove your makeup before sleep. It is very important, because if you don't remove your makeup before sleep at least once, you ruin your skin. Trust me on this. एक भी बार छूट गया ना, लग गई आपकी स्किन की. याद रखो ये चीज़, फिट कर लो दिमाग में. Removing makeup before sleep is very important. Okay, so my makeup is removed like almost like वैसे निकल ही जाता है tissues this wipes से. Color Bar wipes are amazing, just very much amazing. Okay, so next thing after using this wipes, what I do is I don't keep it as it is. Just to be double sure, I wash my face with a face wash. You can use any face wash. Mostly I use Clean and Clear because that's my type, but currently I'm using this Wow face wash, aloe vera face wash, and I'm liking it. Like कोई भी face wash use कर लो, that's fine. So I use this. I'll just wash my face and get back to you. Okay, after washing my face with a face wash, I do is I spray this Gulabari rose water because I love rose water, and it literally helps the skin to soothe. And if your skin is burning or something or the other happens, this will make it cool and amazing. You will feel better. This is something I use every night and morning, but on that day as well I use this. Let it dry for a few seconds, or else just wipe it with a tissue paper, whatever you like it, or a clean handkerchief or napkin, whatever you are comfortable with. And rose water is also a toner which helps you to remove makeup. So face wash करने के बाद भी अगर थोड़ा सा किधर भी रह गया है ना, rose water makes it literally clean, and once it gets dry or you wipe it, rose water. Next thing you have to do is moisturize your face. So for moisturizer, sometimes I use Nivea, sometimes I use Dove, or at the end I go for Vaseline. So it depends. If I feel my skin is very dry, I use Vaseline, but अगर normal सा लग रहा है ना, I'll use Dove or else Nivea. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can use anything. So just apply Vaseline on your face and then sleep. That's very, very, very important. So after this, you are ready for your makeup next day as well, and you don't end up getting pimples on your face. So this skincare literally helps, and I have been using since a lot of years, and I would love to share with you guys a bonus tip for hair. Just comb your hair before sleep. This will help your hair be healthy as well. So yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's connect. You'll get something new to see every week and you'll learn something. So do subscribe. Yeah, see you in next video. Bye bye.